minim program Archibald, but when say Archibald the finance person. Or study finance.
Yeah.
And finance, you know, so me finance. At least I have a pass in finance. They did finance and come miss me DB. Or financer. So competitive syndrome, name open trend near the Ubeshishan alongside. Oh, one of the programs I will read.
Yeah.
And now industry specific.
Right.
So you say you could di yakoton near maybe aba. Na enemana yakoton ya my time I am phantom because you start up an office. These are basic things that ube here. Senya buy mu kra na just all the confirm character say mu nya there. Kensan ka odi kan to kresu ansa na was start because don't me office mu obi nipa na be ansa na say ta wotu nyina me copy computers ne ne ma bro. So the agency of that need to do 2 years you select some people so be any nipa ba ko painting. You select some companies, then you one must have companies now be they know about be it is legal within a framework. The only issue is maybe you copy any nipa kra na any dia no. Other than that, the process is almost for nothing is illegal about it. You can raise issues about the cost. Say bia cost now mu raise what can say bi or baby and neighbor for sense and ubetwe design common. But the process is almost for to arrive at a product in there. As at now, there's nothing illegal about it. Oh, now, Goldbod. There's a deliberate attack on Goldbod.
Deliberate attack,
from the opposition on Goldbod, and maybe be a DBN swatcher. NDC by what was I say? Then I'm a dollar na stable. I like you, Bamian, and I could do don't bet me beer in 8 years or 1 to me. So, what is so different about the NDC? It take you over here. We have seen $1 for about a year. One of the major apart from financial discipline, and now back home, I make you has you. Bakua edit my pie a Goldbod they buy. And Goldbod, rule Goldbod a plane. It's so simple. Say I take on hanging out and feel the now you go to be brave, baby. In fact, there was a political summit to be Abu Dhabi, NPP before time. Honorable Osafuma for money, government delegations to be coy. Uncle Arabs, and about for the Bogana Basso. No, Ghana, they and Shamu and Kiu. If it's a fear chairman, go there a free Ghana bar Abu Dhabi in Kwa was $8 billion. Uncle Amuka, no, we have to hurry. No, we have to hurry. If it's over Ghana books to more, $2 billion penny a record day. Asama, who just say, Utia, now it's in Commander Yedinasia. It means that $6 billion worth of gold within a year. Let me free Ghana copy Abu Dhabi, Alpha or mining system, it was not even recorded, but Omukromo had the old gold in New Rawa, I'll bet you be free. And to do no much less free Ghana, no much Ghana. Meanwhile, system move buy precious minerals for documenting one. It was just $2 billion. What it means is that $6 billion worth of gold and a travel to Abu Dhabi. They acquire other countries in the intended to buy and you say, my dear, we are also. Yamfa is switching me, man. Yes, Shane said the cocoa in our cocoa board there. Gold will be a bit peer free Ghana, be a gold board and to Abusa for no idea. And the friend is the Abani. And Tafedia, Uto Goda, God will be a PFU Chroma Biano, Yama Goldbod of one, and to so all the fan chaya, Yabacho. And when any share banks and the banks didn't want to catch a banks and they say, see, I Bayama a quote 2 years or more into Godu. Godu so is a case any editor. Into the Abayan say, banks say, Mumma see this. You told Godu near Cotton. Not all less than a bar, Emram Ho Street, Abusa for no any. And see, every before the dinner who I want to say, answer, all my who I'm born with Muda. Now, this Ababe Yan and you must stabilize it. I'm my name of Wabba from the Assumption and Kosuru and the businessman. It's me planning ahead. And now, more job, more cranny amount me planning for 3-4 months. Yeah, we'll be done, the MPP. And tell people, I don't know what that's money to bring. So every day and out they are attacking Goldbod. And you see, Goldbod attacking. And Commander Media, we are talking about an institutional air block and illegal trade of $6 billion. You will come under attack. Because that trade will exist for over centuries. And you Ghana for benefit, you international for motor brochure on benefit, and this is a $6 billion illegal industry. And the institution be about all block. So those industry no more na sa no more sa corruption no more go to never sumase ekwa amoroneno. They will do everything to make Goldbod look like adebi enye. But Ghana for the yahoo. And today be press conference minority. And to our own, we are minority ni kramba wadwene maso. Because baby I far about we are media person, we are journalists, but I want me be ni say Goldbod no a institutional air broker about $6 billion worth of illegal gold trading across Ghana for over centuries. And yawo enkophobia besin ne omutie kira Goldbod eto omanu aduane agua. They are trying everything to make Goldbod look irrelevant. And so Goldbod come up and idea. I am not suggesting say we are immune to discuss, and I say we should not criticize them. But me person Ghana for say Goldbod adi abenya mayen amen cement e be 72 Ghana cedis. I buy maybe 127 Ghana cedis, and iron rods 60 mm baby 55 e be 60 cedis. Amen ne nyama gina aduane ene emo krampo ni anwa de ne chese ne na yenka. Ama na the default me prane ukoto ade na woton a utimi prane de yes anema no. There are a group of people bi omu akira omu sikasema say omu kro no anu omu bo mu nya kwan mo enu nti kwan bi omefa so bia omu run down Goldbod, but they run it down again. NPP for now omu NDC Goldbod, so now I'm asking them they should be bold and put it in a manifesto so on ba omu try Goldbod omu kan chen Ghana for. So Goldbod dey ade enya enti ade cha press conference. Ade cha press conference. Ufansi press conference. And a Goldbod and a Goldbod. Omunya board mekanche Ghana for the Goldbod na abana. Ama musika semo jina. Ama ya dollar na stabilize. Ama bibia ya di ahoto abadu ani baba from iron rods building materials bibia Ghana for who ahare no. Ya di e ba e betwam. O mekanche Ghana for ni enti. Enti enough of this Goldbod discourse. Because Goldbod no abeboy ama ahohari aba. Ama economy na stabilize. Ama Ghana for here edidwa here wo krom here sebi awiemfu anasabi untimi nto aduane ni ena emu ya wo mu a 5 kg 50 Ghana cedis. Can you imagine? Do you ever think of that? What you know pen say maybe back Ghana ha obey 50 Ghana cedis no one more 5 kilos. Now so the coffee no you don't know ma kodida. And so any pay off from there Yahoo the Goldbod have Yahoo how I stabilize the economy no. So please, I am begging the NPP. They should not allow themselves for these illegal criminals to use them as an agenda to attack a very institutional. I don't blame you time I buy here never bought for my name stabilize. And this is from one I enjoy. Every businessman on my clan name ba. Don't I know and boy you to come and say near say or more crackers a ton cars. I issue statement. Say I want take cars so by 15%. Adentia because don't na gina omutimi kraka ne ba ekoyi utimi prane ejina amene cars eyi Honda CR-V na bi na 120,000 port ukwa koyi a don't na ni gina e and na bi 60,000 no yi 40,000 no yi enti yesra omo omani no omo tuasi Goldbod so no yesra omo yan Ghana for there Yahoo Goldbod na NDC di ba no emo abeboa economy se de esi gina ne se de esi aboye ne ahohare de abren. They should stop. I say, Goldbod soon in be angry. Goldbod and be angry. I am drawing their attention to it, especially the opposition people. That look, there are criminals out there. Goldbod are blocking on illegal trade. Adia minu nyina Ghana for nyina na ye dia no. No me defo sumase ekoton di. Goldbod by omuntimi nton. Omu ya dia bia to make sure Goldbod goes down. Don't na more opposition ni nya dia nya kasa omu ni omu na akọ in bed.
But what Jesse wanted you to actually clarify and say, why would you preach for competitive tendering? And then, of course, award the contract at you to go for restrictive and much of so sourcing. Say, or see me munu be a prebi, which is competitive. now why any restrictive, you select some people or you even give to one company, and that is what they are saying, and Ghanaians are also concerned about. The nankamukan in opposition here the best thing. No fair pricing. Why are you doing it differently?
Oh, but you see, again, we will go back to our lectures. Yeah, the chair school. It's not always that you do open tendering, and not always.
Yeah,
but the reasons I need raising is that's also was becoming the order of the day. I'm not sure, and I stand to be corrected. Say this need be jina baby can say so saying at the papa mo be so saying that. Because there are certain situations you need to do so sourcing. To say krobi wo ho omo bridge na buagu kro ni nipa nko nipa ma e so kwaya bridge no because why anya kromo for na ka kwantin fi. The agency of the thing would demand that you do so sourcing. Say be ya obetuma ya nentem. But
the sole sourcing, the sole sourcing, in fact, it wasn't Sami Jamfi who said Sabia. It was Blackwa.
Yes, but he's an NDC. I will not run away from him. He's an NDC. He speaks for NDC, so Assembly of Canada is NDC.
But when you said
yes, the NDC was talking about how as a so sourcing.
Right.
But and the Obia didn't come say so sourcing because some situation would demand sourcing. I don't know example. The same Kotokom Bridge here. Na adane dev trap si Kotokom ya ye kan this buy on ho abe. Say you corner say you say road ministry you so sourcing. And the Kotokom Bridge na. Obia bunfu because this a bridge I can't am so na ye nyina ye bompa here Obachaka because one here e be broken. But ye no ono kona be jina so ye Kotokom Bridge ama bridge na NDC I can say oh time omo ye no mo use so sourcing. Nobody will be angry about it. But I come say bibia so sourcing bibia that was what the NDC spoke against. Again, some people before raising issues, they are right to raise issues because of what we said in opposition.
Sure.
Say, you didn't come say, that is what opposition is supposed to do.
Sure.
And I know that I don't have any problem with them.
Right.
Now, on the Ashanti
Fest. Now, quickly, Mr. 5 minutes. Do justice to that.
It's not 5 minutes there.
Mama,
not just 18 minutes. It's not 5 minutes there.
That's it.
The Ashanti Fest. We are so. You see, if you can't beat them, join them.
Right.
Yeah, politics in the area. And politics is the table of intelligence.
Okay.
That's why politics are violence. So we'll be competent. Sure. I believe that when they are thinking, you must also think. That is politics. So opponents in Guinea, you should also meet as opposition or as people, brainstorm and try to find a panacea to never be a oye.
Exactly.
And men attacking when you are attacking, they are fair-minded people. You are not being a nationalistic person. You are only trying to push your interests, and you have issues at the end of the day.
Right.
But sit down. Now, so you didn't go for again. Your regional minister, also a social media minister.
TikTok minister.
So young people not in you are looking at someone say you don't know what time it is.
I'm sorry, a TikTok minister.
I say you don't know what time it is. You know what time it is. Because I wouldn't how much will it cost you? So I say, open 8,000. Our hobby. Now throw out a message to them. How much will it cost you? By a team better in FM. Ya best only akon busa sinaben. Ni I have 44,000 views on Facebook.
Yeah.
44,000.
Sure.
And I have on Facebook in Shai FM.
Sure.
Yeah, I'm telling sinaben discuss the power. Ebi why ebe pon na ya best only free as ni above 15,000. Ebe don you may not be 30 something thousand on the page. And this a politician. Now say you don't know what these numbers means. Now opponent, Doc to me by online, regional minister. Now nipa 8,000.
The last time I saw was 9,000.
Exactly.
9.3K.
And senka also your program. And I open nipa 8,000 bar. See now you can't kababo. Then abekwa ko han ba sa de betwe on maba aduane item 13 we wie obi kwase media ama na aduane ono aye na enye de but akwasibo need the platform bia ba uti hono ma utimi engage 8,000 people come asem se no mo say adentina a regional minister or use that platform they address people they don't know what you're doing
and you spend less
as less expensive and I'm making, and you are attacking the person because or you social media they engaging for and you are a political party. NPP, they are not serious. I'm saying, come on, serious one because you see, the NPP should be thinking about how to capitalize on that because that is where a real student drew. You tonight, I know I have been a team coordinator for years in Ashanti region. I've always been dealing with students. When you say Facebook, me share me thing for no. Now me know mo can say near baba your program. Now I'm so flyers na ya mo share on Facebook. I want na enkwani nyina esere me. Almost 2 minutes. Almost akodi Facebook we dey twemo. Na say yan 2006 2004 for no. Yan na Facebook. Enkwani nyina na S ne Twitter ne ade and Telegram. Say wana enkwani nyina go. Enti me na say but Facebook you am so kodi. Odi kodi ya dey S. Share impact no. Na fa Facebook no so to na when the what it means is that if you are not Daniel Koduro, now the Ashanti regional minister or a current or your youthful, and now you see, only amount for engage you TikTok and Facebook, time and now pay to me. There's a community there and now we engage you. Oba no about address it, the NDC. How will you feel, sir? Oba your regional minister, I know I have to close down all those avenues. Do you think for political reasons do you think you will be fair to or follow those platforms also?
Right, first mami.
Anti yeah Ashanti first. Yeah ma bunu to me see Ashanti first no.
Right.
Yeah anything can say any achievement here Ashanti region.
Right.
The reason why I'm for the hun komo eh nipa ya di omo ye.
Okay.
Say your ma your student opportunity say the omusia school no mom na meye enye saa see a plenty interchange ase there enye it is not an achievement enye de fufuro bia
but the mo de buy any school
say ya ma school for akwanya say nkra omo SHS omo student visual art omo mra no mo display that opportunity na ye nyina ye so ani ye pe na ye nya no ye hu se de ma no that is the positive aspect of it but enye de na ye 2021 no and so ye NPP you don't criticize it you try to tap in the glory ntimi hu say NPP chama bia ko check ube any other de mo that is how you must think as a political party. Adia Chenya Muslim Soloku Festival. The NPP will deny it. They will deny it. But I'm telling you, say, Adia push you almost over by Soloku. It is because of Soloku. It's because of the Ashanti Fest. Anti yes now. The Ashanti regional minister Oyenipa there on Nenso but in Nyama oh yeah all my youth now konya or engage youth now oh yeah no so NPP that's how the buy propaganda now how you can also carry the youth around 2028 year to about new year you will see the impact of the Ashanti regional minister in Ashanti region.
Thank you very much, Patrick. Atuah no na wote ne nka no na Yentie Soloku MP Honorable Nana Atuah. He explained the Odebeye Nana Ejeba for Atuah MP for Nhyira South near Odi Soloku no Ebeye.
Soloku Festival no a part of a broader event. Ye pesi ye deba na ye di rejuvenate Nhyira South economy no. Now, if you mention South at tourism so far, I was very baby. Ukwa tourism no, sebi aji hine. Fano utumfo ahimfie. Ura utumfo ahimfie so a uwo Nhyira Palace Museum. Upa adan wo nyina no obia wase because ebra Garnet say Garnet was war or this say dum say no any be say nipa ni bebre ho a say bebre ho higher no monte brand in the market na say if you crash lawyer dey bia you hu a what dress posh why you buju aziz na Soloku dey be mu say so say you choose Soloku nti na akọ nanim pa and no brand no the way the name Soloku no amana catching on like wildfire into a creative curiosity two person who be ABC ubeba no na open a anwamo festival and ye ho a Soloku dance competition ebeba so afro beba na DJ ho no wo bonyo self perform controversy controversy. Now, say nipa ni bebre wɔ hɔ a sɛ bibi wɔ ha ya no mo nte brand in the market na se. If you crash lawyer, dey be a mu a what dress posh, why you bourgeoisie na solo ku di e ba mu say. So we say we choose solo ku nti e na akɔ n'anim pa. Ɛno ne brand no. The way the name solo ku no ama na catch on like wildfire. Into a creative curiosity, 2 person who be ABC. Ubebano na open a anwamo festival and ye yo a solo dance competition a bebaso.
Eti
the NPP.
Honorable Nana Ejeba for area no MP for Nhyira South was solo kuni de odi atoso keke. But no ma bebre no be Nhyira South. Eti ubeba no bia no ma no anwamo na ye di anwamo. Na ebia ye solo ku dance no so ni ye a lot health screening no ma bebre nti opeso de eboa ne constituency no na no ma tumi kon kan ti de solo ku ne de wo se da so keke no ma bebre wo mu a wo de be ye etuade
oh that say o here NPP pa 100 baby NPP aduru here atam no anu ayedun but you see in mobilizing the youth some of these things
so creative branding
no more attacking Ashanti first na me no mo enya adun because branding yeah by campaign actually decision almost near high brass band near nam na yenam street near there the bus I won't say didn't near yes you try to mobilize your base and keep your people in touch.
Mami Ntie free Andy Nana Owusu, social political commentator.
Yes.